I'm going to show you how to make Kanda Pohe in 5 minutes. So this is a mix of Kanda Pohe. So this is a half cup of water. I'm just going to mix it in a half cup of water. So let's allow it to soak it for 5 minutes. So for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to steam it for 2 minutes and that's it.
Now 2 minutes are over.
I'm going to open this. Here you go, your poha is ready. So I'm going to test it now and then only I will put this product on the website. Okay, it looks good.
Consistency wise, okay, that's good.
I'm going to test it now.
So the small packet
It made almost half bowl of poha. So I think it's enough for probably one person like me who likes poha, and for kids maybe 2 kids